Hello and welcome aboard again to the Genius Money, where we talk about how to make money online using our various skills that God has blessed us with. Well, as God blesses you, He has given you a skill that will really help you to be financially stable. The key thing here is how do you get to know which of these skills will really work? That is the biggest challenge a lot of people have as they grow up into adulthood, especially in our contemporary world where the digital space is becoming more wider and is actually bridging a very big gap between the those that are into the digital space and those who are not in the digital space. For you to make money online, you might need a little knowledge of some digital space. Ignore all those ones that will tell you how you can just make money without knowing anything about the digital space. Yes, you really need to know some little things. That is why I'm putting up this video to give you some of the key things that you really need to know. Especially as a novice who don't have any website, you don't know much about the digital space. You are talented, but how do you go about it is a very big challenge. Some know about the digital space, even as graduates of computer science, but how to go about it is a complete no-go area for them. They give up. Yes, it involves a process. That is why you really need to remain in this channel so that you learn all those processes that are required and get to build that skill as time goes on. So let's get to see the various ways in which you can make money online. Then I'm going to tell you what exactly you should do, especially as a novice who don't have a website. Just as it is all about exchanging value for money in the offline space, when you go to the market, the same principle is also applicable in the digital space. First, you have the concept of affiliate marketing. Look at it here. Yes, here you recommend product for them to buy, and when they buy through your referral link, you get paid commission. This link will be available in the description box so that you can have enough time to read it as I'll be building it over the years. Yes, you are somebody who like talking to people, you like to recommend products for people, but you are just doing it for free at the end of the day. How? You just do it, you are not getting anything in return. Please, this is a very good way for you to tap into the digital space. You have a lot of friends in the digital space, offline and offline. So take advantage of this. Two, you have a very good skill in video editing, music making, and a host of other things. This is also, you are rendering a service, but how do you get it? That is a very big challenge. Don't worry, I'm going to be saying everything as time goes on. All the links on the platform that you need to sign up are available here. Just click on anyone and you're good to go. Yes, you're a very good music artist. You know how to do it very well. Your beats are top notch. Your content, your music video is top notch. Your audio is top notch. How do you go about it is another big challenge. Don't worry. The links for you to sign up are all available here. I'm going to be making detailed video, everything I'm putting up here. That is why you have every reason to remain here as time goes on. So some I've made, some I'm still making on, and all will be available for you. Yes, you have products online that you want to be selling to people. This is another platform again for you. You have it here. You have the links. You see them, all the links here. This one for somebody who you can sell or distribute your content for people to get while you get paid in return. Just like one of my video where I talked about this, you are a graphic designer, this is also for you. So after having that unique skill, you need to have a social media presence, that is on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, any of the link that you can lay your hands on. So let's assume you're somebody who loves cooking or into modeling. You look for platform like this, modeling profession, you join those groups and publish your content over and over again. You create a Facebook page where you also publish your content over and over again for people to get to discover it, for people to get to know about it. Let's take for example, in my own case, I want to talk about like the case of recipe. You click on recipe now, you see this person you are not following. It's not, I'm not talking about following people, I'm talking about joining groups like this one, Cooking Made Easy. You join a group like this, then you put in your content about cooking a particular recipe or any delicate recipe that you think of, you know very well, that God has blessed you with, and you have also perfected it. You can join this group and share it. After putting that guide on those particular links I've showed you earlier, you now come here, you join, you continue to post and share that links at the bottom of your content in the form of ads. In this case, you are not paying, you are just creating awareness, let people get to know what you have to offer. Then over time, you get to see that they are going to be checking out those contents. Then possibly you might get buyers as time goes on. It's not going to be a one-day job. It's something that you have to do repeatedly. Sometimes it can take you a year or 2 years, but the good thing there is at the end of the day, you'll be happy that you take that decision. There are a lot of people looking for solutions online. So when you have those solutions, I'm sure you will have something to be grateful at the end of the day. while you confuse them to see this one cooking and baking. All those platforms are there. Let's take for example for somebody who is into video editing. So what you do is you look for groups that are looking, people who are looking for video editor. You see, I'm looking for video editor here. So by the time I click here, you join looking for video editor, you join groups like this. By the time you join groups like this, you also create awareness about what you have to offer and your rate, so that people have every reason to patronize you. Then if you come down here, you see in this case, like this person, he indicated that he is looking for a video editor for 1 to 2 for YouTube per week. Then somebody like this, you can contact him. You now come here, you contact him. By the time you contact him, you send him your information that okay, you offer these particular services and this is the rates that which you have to offer. Then you join it with your samples that you have made, then your link to your social media, the link to your social media handle, as well as those platforms where you offer those services. Like in this case, if I come here where we talk about services, so we talk about services here. In the case of services that I highlighted here, when you come here, you sign up to any of these links, then you build your profile there, then attach all your samples, then you share your links to him or to her at the end of the day while you are talking about what you have to offer. Then the same thing is applicable for those who are into affiliate. For this case, for the case of affiliate, here you go into all those platforms that makes provision. I'm putting up a large volume of affiliate programs that you can lay your hands on. So don't forget to keep a date. So all these affiliate links that you have and the services you get to join, then you build. Maybe there are some that you have been using, you talk about it in your video, just short video, not really long, to convince people that yes, these things are really, really true. Sometimes it might not really be your own video, you might get video and you edit it very well to package it very well. While you are posting, you also come to a platform like this and share it. The different groups that I've talked about, like the case of the cooking, you put up your skill, all other ones you share it. That's how you get to build that popularity and get people to trust you over the time. So thank you very much for being there. As we keep a date, as I continue to bring you more, the link to this will be available at the description box. Don't forget to always check, because I'm going to be updating it and putting in more content as time goes on. Thanks once again.